Hello again, welcome back. Let's start with our Scallop process. I'm gonna turn back to Surface Finish and Scallop toolpath. And then let me select my face and hit the enter button. And then we just need to select our boundary and then hit our button again. And this is gonna be my tool. And let me write the feed rate and my cutting speed. Let me turn back to surface parameters. It can be 3 and 1 and then 0. So our tool compensation can be on the center of my boundary. And then we can turn to the finish scallop parameters. We can change that as a 1, 0.01. And then as a step over, I prefer to use 0.1 millimeter. And then we can select this one to create our toolpath inside to outside. Or then we can unselect them. It means that we're going to create our toolpath outside to inside. After that, let me cancel that properties. I don't want to use any limits. And then I'm going to turn to the gap settings. It can be distance to calculate my gap size. And then I can turn to the here to organize follow surface. And then don't forget to select optimize cut order options. And then just calculate my toolpath. And then you're gonna see that's kind of toolpath. So if you would like to change your step over, you can easily change that. And then you can recalculate your toolpath. Yes, it is calculated right now. After that, let's focus on this radius. Okay, let me calculate that radius. To be able to calculate that radius, I need to focus on here. You need to turn to the 3D and then maybe we should create some curve here. And after that, we can analyze our curve. So this is the 5 millimeter. So that's why as a radius, 4 millimeter radius is enough for us. So that's also need to be considered. I just need to turn back to here to analyze. Oops, sorry. We can click here and then we can analyze that radius, and this is also 5 millimeter. So that's why, and that's tool and that's operation is quite enough for our process.